new GPT 4.5 model just dropped today, which means I have to try it out with Cloudflare's new agents framework, which came out earlier this week. I usually get nervous when a new model comes out. I'm like, will it break my apps? Will it be too smart? Will it be mid? Like, for example, we're going to install the new Agent Starter Kit, Agents Framework from Cloudflare. I'm going to quickly build an agent. Now, I've been working on this other app to analyze March Madness brackets, and most models have been struggling to recognize text in the bracket, in the input image. So I always wonder, will the model be good enough for what I want it to do? Here I am saying use my Cloudflare employee account. We have Wrangler installed, building assets, uploading assets. Now we have deployed Agent Starter. This is our app. Hi. I made this earlier and I'm saying hi again. Hey, nice. Okay. Now we are going to make new OpenAI API key. Let's call this test live. And I will be deleting that very soon after this. Okay. We're going to open our Agent Starter. And let's make a new dev.vars. You could copy dev.vars example, but I just made a new file. OpenAI API key. Copy and paste that variable. We have our app.tsx, which has a lot of the core of the chat application. But again, this is not a chatbot, this is an agent. So we have access to tools. For example, this is like a filler. You could get weather information. You could call this function. Function calling is built in, and we have a scheduled task, which we will see in action very soon. Because, first off, we have to go to server.ts and edit the OpenAI model being used. We have our OpenAI API key access here. And instead of 4.0, whatever this one is, we're going to do 4.5 preview. And it really is that easy to switch out models with this new Cloudflare agent framework. Let's run this. And we could say hi. There. I'm going to say, I am nervous about this demo. Send me good vibes in 10 seconds. Send me a message saying, sending good vibes in 10 seconds. And this will do the schedule tool. This should hit the scheduled tool. Counting down. I've scheduled your message. Sending good vibes. That was sent. Lol. From the user and assistant. Well, that's what happens when you do something live. So again, remember, this is not a chatbot. This is an agent, and you can tell it to do things at certain times, such as you could tell it to do a tool call. So you're basically, I guess, having a prompt, and it's detecting what you're talking about, doing it at a certain time. And it could do repeats, it could do an infinite amount of scheduling, and it just keeps coming back and scheduling, like saying something every 15 seconds, or wait for 15 seconds and do something and then send it. If you want to try it out yourself, very easy to do so. We saw this agent made live with Cloudflare's Agents Toolkit, Agent Starter Kit, and OpenAI's new GPT 4.5 model. So I can't wait to see what you cook up with Cloudflare agents and OpenAI GPT 4.5.